Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I am now under my carambola trees. That means five finger fruit, and you can see that this tree is not so much big. It's a small tree, and its age is not so much. Its age is about actually 3 or 4 years, and I bought the plants of it from the Beotha nursery. And you can see that there are many, that means a lot of carambolas and colorful carambolas. You can see, or people know that the carambola fruit or five finger fruit is not so tasty, and its taste is sour. But my carambola is very tasty, really it's very tasty, and its tastes like the sweetmeats, really like the sweetmeats. And this tree is filled with the colorful carambola. And you can see that one of the branches of this trees has been broken because of the whiteness of the carambola. And I am now under the carambola trees, and I am very much happy to see the beautiful and colorful carambolas. And I am now actually I want to thank I want to thank the Almighty God, Almighty Allah, that Allah has given me as so much colorful carambolas. And I am now actually I am not plucking the carambolas, but it's evening time, and the Maghrib Azans is going on. And some of my, after prayer, some of my students has come to me for their private, and they use their lights to see them, and they are also very happy. My students Siam and Rubayat and Tas are waiting for me for their private, and they are very happy. Tas, are you very happy to see this?
Yes.
Rubayat?
Yes.
Yeah, Siam? Thank you very much, but our time is very short. Okay. Actually, dear students, will you eat the fruit?
Yes.
Oh, you are happy?
Yes.
Oh, actually, this fruit is it tasty?
Yes.
Actually, yes. Actually, this fruit is not so much tasty, but it's my fruit. And this fruit, this carambolas, is very tasty. I have actually bought the fruit from the Beotha nursery. Do you know this?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Almighty Allah, for giving the wonderful carambolas. Thank you very much. Thank you, my dear viewers, for giving me your valuable time.